Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing into Windows with your Microsoft account so purchases and licenses sync across devices. Once signed in, open Start, type Microsoft Store, and press Enter to launch the app. This gives you the storefront and library. Make sure Windows is up to date and your internet is stable. Prefer 5 GHz if available, because downloads and license checks need a reliable connection. Once launched, you'll see Featured Apps, Search, and your profile in the top right. You'll use the search bar to find an app by name or browse categories. This narrows results and shows user ratings so you can choose wisely. Once on an app page, review permissions and system requirements to ensure compatibility. This prevents failed installs and performance issues. Then click Get or Install. Windows will handle downloading and installing, and you can track progress in Library. Once installed, pin to Start or Taskbar for quick access, and adjust app settings when first launched. You'll finish by managing updates and purchases. Enable auto-updates in Microsoft Store settings so apps stay current, and check payment and billing for receipts or subscriptions. If buying, confirm payment method and verify purchase to avoid interruptions. Should something go wrong, like failed installs or blank pages, reset the Microsoft Store app from Settings App's Advanced Options, or sign out and sign back in to refresh your license tokens. If that fails, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to diagnose common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.